Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious cold tea. As you may have noticed if you've visited Japan before, we all have cold tea in our fridge, especially during the summer because summer is just so hot and humid here. But that's also cold tea, something that you will find in some restaurants. It can be either hot tea or cold tea. And usually there is a pot in the middle of the table. And it's actually super easy to make and also a nice way to elevate the taste of your tea. It is called Mizudashi, and the way to make Mizudashi is that, usually to make tea, we tend to boil the water to make the tea, but actually you do not boil the water. And it's so quick and easy to make. Let me show you already. You will just need a pot, some tea bag, and some water. And what you do is that the only main ingredient will be patience. You put your tea bag in a pot. I've shown you this before, but then add water, room temperature water. You can fill it up, no worries. And then what you have to do is to let it sip overnight. And you will get what we call Mizudashi. Mizu is water, and that's cold brew. And usually what we do here is that we put the tea bag in the water and then in the fridge. We usually do that in the evening, and then the following day our tea is ready. But it only takes a few hours to make the cold brew, the Mizudashi. So, I mean, if you make it in the morning, you'd be able to enjoy it in the afternoon. And I really recommend this way of making tea because you will get a milder tea. When we use boiled water, for example, today I like to make hojicha, but you can use other teas too, of your liking. If you boil the water, then you will get some kind of, more bitter taste of the tea. A more bitter taste might come out, and sharper tastes. When you do Mizudashi, it's called brew. So the tea is brewed very, very slowly, right? Which enables us to make a tea that is just so round, so mild, with no bitterness, that it really, to me, elevates the taste of the tea. I usually use organic hojicha and organic teas, but I think that even basic teas, the taste always gets better because I've tasted so many cold brewed Mizudashi teas, and they're in many households where they use really like basic super cheap tea, and the taste is just so nice. It's very good to freshen up, to get cooler during the summer, so I highly recommend it, especially this year where we're all having such a hard time with the heat. But I hope you enjoyed. Have a good summer, and I will see you very soon with some tips about how to fight the heat here in Japan or elsewhere. Voilà, gros bisous, à bientôt. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.